Hello, darlings. I'm sorry I didn't made an intro. I got too nervous because right now we're on the bus tour. We're heading to the Brooklyn Bridge, and we decided to sit up top, which there was a lot of people. There wasn't really a lot of people, but like it was quite enough that I didn't want him to hear me hear me talking to the camera because that would be weird. So we're on the top of the bus heading to the Brooklyn Bridge because obviously you can't go to New York and not go visit the Brooklyn Bridge, even though it was freezing and then it just started snowing for no reason. So we weren't really dressed for the weather, but we still stick to it until we got there, which was amazing. The view of the city, I would definitely recommend just taking a bus tour around New York because the view of the city is amazing. Plus the snow hitting the trees, like it was gorgeous. I really like it. Right now we're trying to look for Brooklyn Bridge. We already came out the bus tour, so we're basically lost as usual. I can't find it. It's cold as always. Cold. I think, oh yeah, we came here yesterday. This is a city hall right over here. There's a statue. Oh.
It annoys me how it doesn't update.
It took us a while to find the Brooklyn Bridge because we decided to follow the map instead of just looking. So the bus let us off, I think like 2 blocks away from the bridge, and all we had to do was just walk straight, but we were just making turns left and right instead of just following. Like there was like a ton of people. We should have just followed them and see where they were going, but we didn't do that. But we finally found the bridge. The walk up to the bridge was, I feel like if we were walking forever. Plus, think all these cars was just driving by, so you just felt that cold wind. But it was good. The walk up there, I felt like if it was like an exercise because I was losing my breath. I was like, ugh, I can't wait to get up there. They didn't even have no bench up there to sit down on. And there was a lot of people coming down. And everybody was just in everybody's way. Nobody was just using the lines because they had 2 lines in the middle. One for the people going up, one for the people coming down. But there was people riding their bikes. So like everybody was just shuffling all over the place. So this is the second part of the bridge. Back there is where we came up on the bridge, but this part right here where we're standing, that is the second part of the bridge. We're gonna walk all the way down until we get off the bridge, and then I think we're going to another bridge called Dunbog Bridge. I think that's the name of it. But now we're just doing more walking. And when we got off the bridge, we made a wrong turn. I think we made a left instead of just making a right so that we could just go down the stairs. Yeah, right there. Dunball. Now we're heading to another bridge to take some more pictures.
The 9/11?
The 9/11 museum. And then from there, take the bus, go to Soho, go back to the hotel, and then ice skating.
Damn word out of it. Yeah, we're right before it. Where do you guys want to shoot? Where do you guys want to
So after we left the Dunbar Bridge, we decided to visit the 9/11 museum. We didn't actually go inside of the museum, we just went around it. And I think that's the end of our day. My little photographer taking my pictures as always. Thank you, darling.